Hello everyone, Spoons for Days, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a Nuka Fallout 76. So let's just dive right into it. So let's just open it up from the side. See if I can get it in. There we go. And while I do this So we got ourselves a little pin right there. Pretty cool. No, Bill, not for you. Not for you, no. So we got the pin. We also got some Nuka-Cola coaster sets, which comes with 4, which are pretty cool. We'll open that later. We got ourselves a bottle, Nuka-Cola bottle. Pretty fancy. It's kind of glittery. Nice. And then the bottle opener, which I like, because I drink a lot of bottled drinks, and most of them are not twist-offs. We have one right here, not twist-offs. That helps a lot. So, pretty cool. Fallout, and I think it could be screwed to the wall too. That's a cool thing. And then lastly, well, it even comes with bottle wrap. A Nuka-Cola sign. Ta-da. And that's pretty much it. So we could open up the Nuka-Cola things. They will come out. There we go. Oh, they're like a little foam or rubbery. Oh, quantum. Let's see if I can find the opening. There we go. So let's see, we got 1 Nuka-Cola. This one's getting difficult. We got 2 Nuka-Colas, which they have in the back a little Fallout 76 reference right there. And then also Quantum. And another Quantum, which a little fun fact. I don't think Quantum's actually in Fallout 76, oddly enough. It's in Fallout 4, but not 76, which I find interesting. Or if it is, I never found it. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and have a great day.